Thank you very much, Tucker, for helping me get into the box and make such a lovely mess all over the floor. I couldn't have done that without you. Clearly. What do you think of these pieces over here? Can you hand me that piece of cardboard? No? No, you can't hand me the piece of cardboard? Okay, fine. I will pick it up myself. You just like making the mess part, don't you? But we can't have a mess while we're trying to work here. Yes. What's hey? Now, I think we need to look at the instructions. Nothing like a whole book of instructions. Or should I just do this like a man and just kind of make things up as I go along? What do you think, Tucker? Did I lose my Tucker? Well, I'll wait till my assistant comes back.